All right, Noah, thank you. For this module, we're going to learn how to open and combine multiple PDFs into one document. And this is useful for project status reports, daily logs, submittal packages, and other similar documents. So go ahead and take it away.
All right, yeah. So combining multiple PDFs, something that you will all do very frequently for multiple reasons, just as Jack said. So there's two ways that you'll commonly do this: combining two documents or as many documents as you have open all at once, or you can open documents directly from your file system on your computer. So in this scenario, I'll just be using this drawing set and a random test document I've created. And so the first way that you're going to go about doing this would be going to the Documents tool. You're going to click under Pages. And when you're going to be combining pages that you have open, you can click Insert Pages, Add Open Files, and that will pull every file that you have open in the doc here. If you have a couple that you're not going to want to add to this, it'll upload everything here, but then you can just click on it, you hit this X, and it'll eliminate a file that you have in here. So if you had 5 files here, you only wanted to upload 3, click on the ones that you don't want, hit this X, and they'll disappear. So we're going to want to add this test doc. So you can then choose if you want to have it after or before the first page, last page, or any page that you have here. So in this situation, I want it to be before the first page. So I will then have that file here. I'll click OK. And now if you go to the thumbnails here, you can see that my test document is now before the second and third page of my drawing. And so if that's the way how you would add multiple documents that are in the files here that you already have opened. But if I did want to add a fourth page here that I knew was somewhere on my computer but I didn't have open yet, you can do that same process, the Document tab, Pages, you'll still do Insert Pages, and then if you click Add, you can then, it then opens up your files, find that file that you want to upload. So again, this was test doc 2, open. Now, same scenario, shows up here like you had before. We want this one after the last page. Click OK, and now that document is there as well. So that's how you do the bulk of that. There's a couple different options in here too. So if you wanted to just insert a blank page, either as a placeholder, or if you were going to add a title or something, you could choose to do that, inserting a blank page here. Now you can add a text box or whatever you may want to do, and then you can extract pages, etc. But those 3 options will be the ones that you would use most frequently.
Okay, great. So let's review. So you can add either PDFs that are already open but in your tabs.
Correct.
Or you can add PDFs that are just somewhere in your computer or in your system. In the first case, you use the button that was on the left that was Add Open Files. In the second case, yeah, go ahead and show us that.
Yep, correct.
In the first
click
case,
Add Open Files. That pulls up any docs you have open.
Okay. If you want to add something that's not open from your computer, you hit the Add button there. Okay,
Correct.
and you can do both of those. So it sounds like
yes, you can do both. If you wanted to do it all at once, you can pull everything that you need from your computer, from your projects. If you wanted to combine multiple submittals into one package, or if you're doing a closeout package, you can go through your projects and add all of the different warranty documents you have saved. You can throw everything all at once, and you can just click this button once if you have it, and then you can reorganize them as well. Let me just show you that real quick, just as an example. Let me just take a random document here, and upload that. If you wanted this file to be above this one, once you exported it, you can just highlight it and then click this Move Up button, move down, and you can reorder the list as however you need it.
Got it. Thank you. And can you reorder the list after you've already done it, like in the thumbnails?
Yes, easily. So if you have this open now, if you were like, oh man, I wanted this page 2 to actually be page 5 here, you could just click it, drag it, take that page 4 that you had, boom, drag it up, and now everything's rearranged. It's just a simple click and drag.
And you can do that anytime with any document, even if you're not adding files. All you have to do is have the thumbnails pane open, right? And you can rearrange
Exactly.
pages.
Yep, that's just hidden here on the left. It should always be there. It's just
Okay.
this 4 squares up here, thumbnails. You can reorder however you need.
Okay. Perfect. All right. Thanks, Noah. We will be
Yep.
back with another module.
All right, thanks.